Happy holidays, everybody. It's Lucas at Lexus of Madison. I just wanted to reach out to all of our customers and remind them that we're not going to be open Christmas Eve, Christmas Day, or New Year's Day. However, we will be open December 26th, which is this coming Saturday, and then next Saturday, January 2nd, so you can still come on and get your vehicle serviced right after visiting family. We still have our food drive going on. Bring in 5 non-perishable items, get $20 off of an oil change. We've had several customers come in and donate lots of items, and I want to thank all of our customers who have done that so far. We really appreciate it. We do have an upcoming cold snap coming through, so very, very cold and frigid temperature, and make sure that your vehicle's in tip-top shape. And of course, a lot of people are doing a lot of driving with the holidays, so making sure that your vehicle is nice and safe. To have excellent clarity through your windshield, make sure that your washer fluid is topped up with something that can handle the extra frigid temperatures that we are expecting. Of course, if your vehicle's been sitting a while, batteries are also going to give you a little bit of a hard time, so make sure that your battery is in tip-top shape. Definitely don't want to get the kids and the family together, and lo and behold, your vehicle isn't going to start. Along with washer fluid in your battery, with that cold temperature, your tire light's going to come on, your tire pressures are going to drop. On your dashboard, you're going to get a big orange symbol with an exclamation point through it. That's your tire lights. So double check your tire pressures. If you don't know what your pressures are, on the inside of your door here, there's a little sign that tells you what your pressures ought to be at a cold temperature. And despite the 4 tires that are of course mounted on the vehicle, some of our vehicles are equipped with a full-size spare that also have a sensor inside of those, so make sure to check those, and then your tire light will go off. In the event that your Lexus does give you a hard time, whether it be your battery or it just doesn't want to start at all brand new Lexuses come with 4 years of roadside assistance, and all L-certified Lexuses come with 6 years of roadside assistance. The number for that is 1-800-25-LEXUS. Again, my name is Lucas at Lexus of Madison, and happy holidays!
Happy holidays!